People often ask how I keep my house from getting completely out of control. The truth is, it's not because I clean all day. It's because I've built a few simple homemaking habits into my routine, and today I'm sharing the exact habits that make the biggest difference in our home. Let's get tidy together. The first habit I have as a homemaker is make the bed before leaving the room. So when you do this, the room instantly looks cleaner, and then it also starts the day with a win. So I always try to make my bed before I leave the room for good. Like, I might go out and make me a coffee, but then I come back in, I'm getting ready for the day, getting dressed, all that, and I make sure that the bed is made, and it starts my day. I feel productive already, and it just sets the tone for getting the rest of the house done and completed. To be completely honest, it also really helps to make sure nobody goes back to bed and then you just waste the day laying around, because I don't know about you, but I am not going to mess up a freshly made bed unless I have to. So that is a little hack too. You're not going to get back in bed and just doom scroll on your phone all day. The next hack that I have for you is whatever you bring into a room, you must take back out with you. I also have this rule for the car. So if you bring something into the car to go somewhere, when you get back home, you have to take it out and bring it back in the house. So if you're going to take a drink into the living room, you're going to take it back out with you when you get up. This just ensures that the mess is not going to pile up, and it's one less thing for your future self to worry about. The next habit is a kitchen reset every night, or at least that's the goal. And I've said it before, I'm not a morning person. I do not like to wake up and socialize and do things. So coming out of the bedroom and into a clean kitchen just really starts the day with like a calm mind for me. And so I like to make sure that there's no dishes in the sink, they're not overflowing, there's not old food and debris all over the counter, so that way I can pour my coffee and not worry about nasty. And it really helps to have a calm, peaceful morning and for the mornings to run smooth. If you guys are interested, I did an entire video on like my nightly reset routine, how I put my house to bed is what I called it. So things like that for me is like the things I just said about the kitchen reset, and then making sure things are just put back so you can find them easy in the morning. And yeah, if you guys want to, I will link that video down below in the description box for you, and you can steal my routine. The next habit is clean as you go. So if you're making dinner, what is something you can do while it's cooking or the water is boiling? You could do the dishes, you could run the vacuum real quick. So just clean up as you go. So a lot of times, like if there's dishes that I needed to make dinner while dinner is cooking, I will do those dishes. The goal is just to stay on top of things so it doesn't pile up. Another habit is teach kids to pick up before moving on. So I have been trying to instill this in my son pretty much his entire existence now, is we don't move on to another activity until the previous activity is picked up. So if he's playing with Legos and he wants to go play with chalk, he has to pick up the Legos and then he can move on to whatever he wants. Now, my son is not perfect at this, but I will say over the years he has gotten a lot better, and so it's definitely a good thing to teach kids. Another habit we try to follow is the one touch rule. And so this means, like, if you come in the front door and you take your sunglasses off, you immediately put them where they go instead of just throwing them on the landing zone and then picking them up later, because then you're touching them twice. And again, there is no later if you just touch it once, put it where it goes, and it's good to go. So we really try to follow that rule as well, and it works great. The next habit is dirty clothes go in the dirty clothes basket, not on the couch, not on the floor. clothes, like dirty clothes on the floor, automatically make a room look less tidy. And so even just picking up dirty clothes and putting them in the basket can help make the room feel and look much nicer. So it kind of goes hand in hand with the one touch rule, but dirty clothes go where they are supposed to go immediately. And the last habit I have kind of ties everything together, but it's always be moving. And no, this doesn't mean that you need to clean the entire day. It just means when there's little time slots that you would normally waste time, what can you be doing to get ahead for the day so you're not playing catch up in the evening or after everybody goes to sleep? So again, back to like, are you waiting for water to boil? Do a few dishes. Waiting for the microwave to finish? Clean the counter, run the vacuum, just something instead of standing there watching it or scrolling on your phone. Now I want to hear from you guys. What's one homemaking habit you swear by that keeps your home running smoothly? Let me know in the comments below because I'm always looking for new ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching and showing your support. And if you guys enjoy homemaking content, motherhood, lifestyle, things like that, I'm definitely your girl, and you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. It helps me out and it keeps us connected, and you can join this little community we have over at Loving Life as Shannon, and I would love to have you guys. And also, if you enjoyed this video, if you could just hit that thumbs up button to tell YouTube that you liked it, it would greatly help me out. So thank you guys again, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!